not gonna lie, I'm starving. I was kind of thinking, wouldn't it be great if I had a hearty, well-balanced British meal? Before I show you my meal, I am gonna show you my beverage of choice. So this is it. I am going to be having Yorkshire tea with my meal. I just think that it's going to accompany the meal so well, and the flavours of the tea are really going to bring out what I'm eating, so I just think this is the number one thing I could go with. In order to cook my meal, I will be using this little pot. This is my ideal British meal of choice. It's Heinz beans in rich tomato sauce. One of my 5 a day. So you can really see how this is a hearty, healthy, well-balanced meal. To accompany my already well-balanced meal, I will be having Warburton's toasty soft thick white bread, and I will be probably toasting that in the toaster. I've got my beans in there cooking up nicely. While that's heating up, I'm gonna put my bread in the toaster. Isn't this the nicest meal you've ever seen? Like, those beans are gonna go into my belly and fill me up. And that bread, nice and toasted and buttered, and the tea. Oh my god, it's gonna be so nice to wash this all down with tea. This looks so good and I'm so hungry. Let's dig in. Oh, it's steaming. That's so good. I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna eat some toast. I'm gonna dip it in. My mouth is a little dry, so I'm going to hydrate myself with some tea, and hopefully I don't burn off my taste buds because this feels pretty hot. Oh, it is pretty hot. Okay, I need to let that cool down a bit more. Let's carry on with the beans and toast. I still have my tea to drink. Truly divine. Well, you know what they say? Beans, good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you... But